Well, hello and almost happy Memorial Day. If you are new to my channel, hi, I'm Rochelle from the Mary Madden blog. And today's video, I'm going to show you how you can protect your floors and protect your furniture with some chair covers. We have 8 chairs total, so we needed 32 chair covers. And 3 years ago, we bought dining room chairs from an Amish company. We found it online, and they make phenomenal chairs, excellent quality, and these will last us a lifetime. But we have little ones that like to pull the chairs across the floor, and um, so I just want to do everything I can in my power to make sure that they last a very long time and that we take good care of them. So I got some chair covers and they were really easy to put on. And so I'm going to show you. And I have babies right here. Hey, baby. um, I am going to show you how we take care of them. We need chair protectors not to protect our floor necessarily, but to protect our chairs. And also, it's just very loud. So, I found these furniture leg covers, and they are clear and have a little felt pad at the bottom. They were very easy to install. We have 8 chairs, so I needed 32 covers, and this pack was perfect because it came with 32 covers. I was so pleased that these really do help with the noise of chairs because we have toddlers that like to push around chairs, but we also know that the bottom of the chairs are protected as well. The great thing about these leg floor protectors is that they fit different style of chairs, whether you have round chair legs or square chair legs. They're flexible so they can stretch over any kind of chair leg.
Yep, 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 yep.